Hello everyone, I wanted to give an update on my garden today, one of my raised beds. So I had a really heavy rainfall last night, and as you can see there's actually splatter of dirt onto my plants, even onto these marigold flowers. There's dirt on there. But one thing you guys can see is that there is a ridge going along my plants where all the drainage from my roof came out. So there's like a little ravine that the rain caused, and it disturbed some of my plants. So it's something to keep in mind of looking above your garden if you have a raised bed like me and wondering where the water is going to drain from off of your roof. I didn't think of it, but these plants right here are looking a little unhappy and laying down. They'll be okay though, but now I'll have to protect them from other hard rainfalls.